Hey, I'm Ken.
And I'm Leanne.
And this is Zeke. This is Journeys with Ken, Leanne, and Zeke today.
Right. Sasha's at the vet getting a little procedure done, and Zeke doesn't do well without his sister around, so he's taking the journey with us today.
So we took our lunch break and brought him out to the property to show him around.
And to see what was going on.
Yep.
Oh, stuff's happening.
So here we are. They brought out more dirt to help even out some stuff. They've got the bricks for the foundation. Nice. Zeke approves of all the work that's been done. He said, "This is my yard." Having fun, buddy? Huh? Zeke. All right, so here we are out at the property. You'll notice there are many blocks in back of us.
Yeah, they're getting ready to lay the foundation, brought in blocks and sand, and some more stuff's happening here today.
That's right. First of all, look at that sand back there, big old pile of it. They're gonna, we're still hearing that the mason's about 2 to 3 weeks behind, but I just got told by Rick that they're gonna go ahead and start my workshop. And they're not gonna do brick foundation on that one. They're just gonna do what he called a monolithic pour, something like that. So it's just going to be
something else we got to learn about.
It's just going to be a very thick concrete pad. I said I like to hear that.
Okay. Awesome.
But while we were sitting here, what happened was Lowry Utilities came down. That's the water company that's going to be putting in our tap, and they're up at the front of the drive putting in our tap. So let's head on up there and see if we can get some video of that. Sound good?
Sounds great.
All right, maybe you should get back to work. Somebody's got to pay some bills.
Yeah, my break's over.
All right, let's do it. That's deep, huh?
Not really, compared to some of them. Deeper than Chesney, though. Oh, yeah. One pool over.
Yeah, I think that's what they're planning on, so. A big water line right there, huh?
This is just full.
So what they're doing is they're going to tap in down here. They're going to run the 3/4 inch line up to here, or a little bit further back, and then they'll put the meter in the box depth right there. They are.
I don't know. I just what I hear, because I don't have no clue about it. Lisa Bates 2-0. There we go. As long as you ain't got a dripper gap, you good.
That's awesome.
Tell me one of them shovels over there. They out here, right here. They come in eating all them blackberries and all over.
I got them all over my property. We've seen many a deer already, a big one
I live
too.
on Torrance Road and I hit 9 deer there. My wife, once you buy your new truck, watch out. I stay low corner. Back up.
And here we are. They got it in. And there is the tap right here. Right in there, that's the tap. Sweet. We are golden. What you're looking at here is my workshop. It is 24 feet that way and 34 foot that way. And this is where it's gonna go. Right here. So it's looking good. Looking real good. Well, we came out here to do our outro, and lo and behold, we got a whole new shipment of the blocks out here, and the first shipment of our bricks for the house are here.
Surprise, surprise, surprise.
And we got a pallet full of mortar over there so they can put the bricks up.
It's exciting, very exciting. So, as you can see, not knowing what much was going to go on today, a lot has been happening. So we want you to be sure to follow us. And how do they do that?
Well, first of all, head over to Facebook and like us over on Facebook, Journeys with Ken and Leanne. You can hit us up on Instagram also, Journeys with Ken and Leanne. And if you're already here on YouTube,
Right?
might as well hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you know when stuff comes out.
Ring that bell and make a comment. Lots of things are happening really fast. If you have any questions about the processes that we're going through, you know, having the brick here is really exciting. But don't forget last night's video. If you haven't seen that yet, go watch episode 19. We talk about the latest frustration, the game of patience. So be sure to follow us and keep up. We're trying to keep up with them. Y'all keep up with us.
All right, until next time, hope you enjoyed the journey.